Hey, I'm Caroline. When presenting, have you ever wanted to get rid of that extra space above your head or hide the navigation bar in your screen share? With you can crop yourself, screen shares, and uploaded images. Let me show you how. Let's start by cropping your presenter size. You'll see that my green screen doesn't quite cover my entire background, so I want to crop that out. So the first thing you need to do is highlight yourself as the presenter, and now you will see the size and cropping bars. So now I'm just going to take these cropping sliders, click and drag until I get the desired look that I want. Now no more pesky green screen on the side, and now I can just click and drag myself where I would like. And that's it. It's the same process to crop a screen share. First, choose a screen you'd like to share. I chose the website. Then just highlight that, click on the crop slider, and slide to your preferred setting. Now, no more pesky navigation bar. Want to crop an uploaded image? It's easy as pie to do that too. All you have to do is upload that image, highlight it to see those crop sliders, and you guessed it, just slide those crop sliders until you get the image you desire. Looks perfect. Actually looks good enough to eat. I hope this video helped you understand how to utilize mmhmm's cropping feature. For other content like this, check out our other Learn videos. Happy creating and thanks for watching.